At the end of Perek Aleph in Rus, the Pasuk says, "Vatashov Naomi verusa Moaviyah kalasa ima hashava misdei Moav." Naomi and her daughter-in-law Rus are going back. They're going back to Eretz Yisrael. Asks the Meloah Omer. The word hashava that goes back implies that one was already there. Naomi clearly was there. She was from Eretz Yisrael, but for Rus it's the first time coming into Eretz Yisrael. So what does it mean when it says shava? She went back to where she came from. Says the Meloah Omer, you see from here that Rus is only basically going back to her source. She comes from a very high source, a source of Kedusha. Perhaps we can add on what he says. In Shabbos Kuf Mem Vav Amud Aleph, we learn from the Maharsha that the souls of all converts stood with Klal Yisrael in Ma'amad Har Sinai. They were all there. Converts that we see today converting were already standing with Klal Yisrael in Ma'amad Har Sinai. The proof is from here. Rus is going back, Shava. She is restoring. She is going back to where she initially was, to be together with Klal Yisrael.